Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how we can install a WordPress plugin using file manager. Let's go to dashboard. After that, scroll down. Here you can see we have installed WP file manager. Just click here, and after that here you can see all the settings. So this is the same file manager, so all options that we can see in the C panel. After that, here we can go in the WP content. Now here you can see plugins. After that, these are all the plugins that are installed. We can see here in the plugin section. Here you can see these are all the plugins that are installed. Now if we want to install a new plugin, just here you can see we can upload, select file, and after that I can select a plugin, elements kit. So guys, here you can see file is uploading. Once it will be uploaded, then we will proceed with the next step. Alright, the zip file has been installed. Now we need to extract this file. Here you can see extract here. Alright, file is extracted. Now we can refresh our plugins page and scroll down. Here you can see plugin is installed. Now we can activate and start using this plugin. So now we don't need this file, just we can delete this one. Alright, we can activate our plugin. So this is how is to install a plugin using WP file manager.